Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I am going to show you how to create summative assessment and collaborate with classroom of students. So this is a teacher account. I have already logged into a teacher account. The teacher name is like Terry Anson. This is the main dashboard of the teacher account where you can able to see the list of classrooms that has been assigned for the teacher here. You can click on the desired classroom. So inside the classroom, you can able to view the curriculum module, right? You can click on the curriculum module. And from here, you need to choose the subject for science or mathematics subject. I'm just going with mathematics subject. So I'm just going to click on expand all so that you can able to view for each and every learning objective. You can able to create a template as well as like you can able to create an activity here. So for summative assessment, I'm just going to create an activity from the task maker. So from inside the curriculum also you can able to create an activity. But for summative assessment, you are going to create an activity for an overall topic, not for a single learning objective. Like more than one learning objective, if you want to create any activity in this sense, you can go for summative assessment. So now I'm just moving on to the task maker. From inside the task maker, now I'm just going to create an activity. So this is for 6th grade and the subject is like, I'm just going to choose the subject like mathematics subject. So under the type we have like automation, semi-automation and non-automation type. Now let us see what is automation. Any learning activity schedule ensure the content delivery, response collections and validation by itself is called as automation here. Under automation type we have like live contest, quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, summative assessment, examination, experiment, homework, assignment. That's it. So now we have like now let us see what is semi-automation. A learning activity which consists of both automation and non-automation element is called as semi-automation here. So under semi-automation type, we have like quiz, mock test, challenge, formative assessment, summative assessment, examination, experiment, homework and assignment. So now I'm just going to create an activity for semi-automation and I like summative assessment. So here I'm just going to give the title like integers, addition and subtraction. So for this title, I'm just going to create an activity here. So before going to create an activity, under semi-automation type, you can able to see the response collections here. So we have like voice response, choose the right answer and attach work, choose the right answer with text, choose the multiple answer, choose the right answer with images, choose the multiple answer with images, text with attachment, short answer is say, attach the work, true or false, yes or no. So these are the options which we have for semi-automation type under for summative assessment. So now I'm just going to create an activity here. So for my first question, for the first question, I'm just going with the response collection like choose the right answer. So from the below option, like you need to choose like which one is the right answer here. And here for each and every question, what is the credit score you want to give, you can able to choose the credit score here. It's kind of 1 mark question or 2 mark question. Based on that, you can able to add the credit score. So I'm just going with 1 mark for this question. So if you want to add any negative credit score for each wrong answer in the sense, here you have an option, you can able to use it. So I'm just going to hide the negative credit score here. So for this summative assessment, you can able to add maximum up to 200 questions at a time. So now I'm just going to add one more question here. My next question is like, for this question I'm just going with yes or no type, the response collection, and the below I need to choose like which one is the right answer. And for this question I'm just going with 1 credit score. I'm just going to add one more question. for this question, I'm just going with the response selection like true or false. So from this, you need to choose like whether the answer is true or false. And I'm just giving the credit score like 1 credit score for each question here. And I'm just going with the next question. What is integer addition? And for this question, I'm just going with the option like short answer. So for short answer response collection, if you want to add the answer in the sense, here you can able to add the answer. Otherwise, once the student has responded to this question in the sense, you can able to manually validate that particular answer. So now for this question, I'm just going with a credit score of 3 marks for this short answer, and I'm just going to add one more question. Like what is integer subtraction? Same like short answer for 3 marks. For this question, I'm just going to add the answer and I'll be showing you. So this is how we can able to create the questions here. So here in the right hand side, you can able to view like how it will be viewed in the student screen. So I'm just going to click on the previous question. So it's a true or false kind of question, and the yes or no question, and the questions you can able to view all the questions which you have given here. Objective type questions and all, you can able to view that here. So once you have created the activity, if you want to save this activity in the sense, you can go with like you can save it in a draft. And if you're going to create and schedule this activity in the sense, you can create and schedule it. So for this, you need to check the classroom name and as well as the targeted group, and you need to give the date. I'm just going with today's date. Timing is an optional one here. So as a teacher, if you want to conduct a particular activity for 1 hour of time based on the timing in the sense, you can provide the timing. Otherwise, it's an optional one here. So for publishing the activity, you have like 2 options like publish now and publish later. So if you are going with publish now option in the sense, the activity which you are creating will be visible to the students immediately. And if you are going with publish later option in the sense, you need to mention like later on in the sense on which particular date you want this activity need to be published to the students. So here for example, like I just want this activity to be published to the students on the January 3rd or January 4th in the sense. So on that particular date, this activity will be published to the students. Whether the teacher is available or not, that activity will be published to the students' dashboard. So now I'm just going with publish now option. So I just want this activity need to be scheduled to the students immediately. So here you can able to see your activity schedule successfully. So here below you can able to see the activity which you have created for summative assessment mathematics. You can able to view the activity here. So and you can move on to the feed column. So here you can able to see the activity which has been created from the teacher side like summative assessment, integer addition and subtraction. As a teacher, like you can click inside the activity and you can able to view once all the student has been responded in the sense, you can able to view the student responses based on the student name also, you can able to view that here. And also once all the students in this classroom has been responded to this activity in the sense, you can able to view the overall classroom statistics of this particular activity can be viewed by the teacher here. This is how as a teacher you can able to create an summative assessment and collaborate with classroom of students.
Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.